warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Abinayna Khalida. My name is Aina Dara Putri. We are from group 4 and we from class 7. And in this video, we will show you how to make ayam bakar, es buah, and dimsum. And the ingredients are chicken, soy sauce, pepper powder, seasoning, and butter. First, clean the raw chicken. Put the chicken in the pan and put the butter seasoning. Stir. And wait for a minute. And for the es buah, there are milk, melon, nata de coco, syrup, watermelon, and ice. Put the melon into the bowl. And then the watermelon. And the nata de coco. Not so much. Oh, looks good. Oh, fill the bowl with the water. Enough. Then pour the syrup into the bowl. Yep. Also, don't forget about the milk. Put the ice into the bowl. Then stir it until well done. Okay, stir. And the es buah is done. And for the dim sum, put the dim sum to the steamer and then steam it. Close it. Finally, all the food and drink all done. Now you can all eat. Makan.